Hey, in front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this Sony. First of all, go into settings and tap on sound section. Now scroll down and click on vibrate full calls. Over here select one of those options for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I will go with never vibrate, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. Now you need to scroll down and click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibrations and touch vibrations to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!